Hey, everyone! Today, we're taking a closer look at an innovative product that's revolutionizing the way we clean our electronics and more, the ZERA MAX, most powerful portable air duster fan. If you're tired of dealing with messy and expensive canned air dusters, then this is the solution you've been waiting for. Let's dive in and explore why the ZERA MAX is a must-have for anyone who values clean and well-maintained devices. The ZERA MAX is a compact and powerful air duster fan that can effectively clean a wide range of surfaces, from delicate electronics to automotive parts. Its unique design sets it apart from traditional cleaning methods, offering a more efficient and eco-friendly solution. Here's what makes the ZERA MAX stand out. Powerful airflow. With up to 50 cfm, cubic feet per minute, of air pressure, the ZERA MAX can remove even the most stubborn dust and debris. A versatility. Use it for cleaning keyboards, computer components, car interiors, and more. The ZERA MAX is a versatile tool for any cleaning task. Portability. Weighing just 1.1 pounds and measuring 7.8 by 2.8 by 1.2 inches, the ZERA MAX is easy to carry around and store. A rechargeable battery. The built-in battery provides up to 30 minutes of continuous use on a single charge, making it convenient for on-the-go cleaning. Using the ZERA MAX is incredibly straightforward. Here's how it works. 1. Charge. Fully charge the ZERA MAX battery before first use. 2. Select mode. Choose from different airflow modes depending on your cleaning needs. 3. Clean. Hold the ZERA MAX close to the area you want to clean and press the power button to activate the air duster. 4. Maintain. Clean the ZERA MAX filter regularly to ensure optimal performance. The ZERA MAX was successfully funded through a Kickstarter campaign, which allowed the creators to bring this innovative product to life. Kickstarter is a crowdfunding platform that enables creators to pitch their ideas to a community of backers who can support projects they believe in. By backing the ZERA MAX on Kickstarter, early supporters were able to secure exclusive rewards, such as discounted pricing and limited edition versions of the product. Crowdfunding also allows creators to gauge interest and gather feedback from potential customers, helping to shape the final product. However, it's important to note that backing a project on Kickstarter involves some risk. While the ZERA MAX campaign was successful, not all projects reach their funding goals or deliver on their promises. Always invest what you can afford to lose and be aware of potential delays in delivery. During our testing, the ZERA MAX consistently delivered impressive results. Its powerful airflow effectively removed dust, dirt, and debris from a variety of surfaces, including keyboards, computer components, and automotive parts. Users have praised the ZERA MAX for its effectiveness, ease of use, and versatility. Many have highlighted how it has made their cleaning tasks easier and more efficient, saving them time and effort compared to traditional methods. When compared to other air duster products on the market, the ZERA MAX stands out for its powerful airflow, reusability, and eco-friendly design. While canned air dusters offer a quick fix, they can be expensive and wasteful in the long run. The ZERA MAX, on the other hand, provides a more sustainable and cost-effective solution that delivers consistent results. One of the most significant advantages of the ZERA MAX is its eco-friendly design. By eliminating the need for disposable cans, it reduces waste and helps to minimize the environmental impact of cleaning products. The ZERA MAX is powered by a rechargeable battery, making it a more sustainable option compared to single-use products. Its reusability also means that you won't have to constantly replace it, reducing your carbon footprint over time. Additionally, the ZERA MAX is designed to be energy efficient, with a powerful airflow that doesn't require excessive power consumption. This makes it a more environmentally friendly choice compared to other cleaning solutions that may consume more energy or resources. The ZERA MAX is competitively priced, making it an attractive option for anyone looking for a powerful and eco-friendly cleaning solution. When compared to the cost of traditional canned air dusters, the ZERA MAX offers significant long-term savings. Its reusability means that you won't have to constantly replace disposable cans, and its powerful airflow ensures that you can clean more efficiently with fewer resources. While the initial investment may be higher than some cleaning products, the ZERA MAX versatility and long-term cost savings make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who values clean and well-maintained devices. In conclusion, The ZERA MAX, most powerful portable air duster fan, is a game changer in the world of cleaning solutions. Its powerful airflow, versatility, and eco-friendly design make it a must-have for anyone looking to keep their electronics, workspace, or car in top shape. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a car enthusiast, or simply someone who values a clean and well-maintained environment, the ZERA MAX is the perfect solution. With its user-friendly design and impressive performance, this device is sure to exceed your expectations. If you're ready to take your cleaning game to the next level, the ZERA MAX is the way to go. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and stay tuned for more product reviews and updates.